How to clear local lens data on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear local lens data on Snapchat easy and fast. So first thing you have to do is go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. All what you have to do is simple, just go to your profile from here, click on your profile and go to the top corner again and click on this little settings icon. Click on it like this and it will take you to this page. Now scroll down until you find the lenses option. Click on lenses and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find clear local lens data. Click on it and click clear. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end.